I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, big surprise. The truck's in the garage again. Yesterday I spent the day straightening, both downstairs and out here in the garage. The downstairs is far from done, but in the garage the main goal was to get the truck back inside. It's been sitting out for most of the winter. Actually, it's been sitting out all winter. And I decided that I really wanted to have it inside. So, cleaned up, straightened up, moved things around. I got a bunch of stuff yet to do, but that's pretty much the nature of the beast. But this morning, I'm going to plow the driveway again and get rid of this horrible snowstorm that we had. Interesting to note the huge snowstorm that was going to devastate the country doesn't come up past the soles on my shoes. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.